everyone, and welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. We had a lot happening this week, and I hope that you enjoyed your week. We had Key Stage 1, a lot of the children got to go into the nature area, as well as the learning that's happening in the classes. And I'm really proud of all of you. And I know your challenge this week was around hygiene and brushing your teeth. And I know a lot of you really took up that challenge to make sure that your teeth were nice and clean and brushed twice a day. So well done to all of you for doing that. Now, you notice I don't have Betty with me because Betty has gone to visit another school. She thought she would like to see another school that she visits from time to time and see how they're doing. So we understand that, don't we? We do. Now, I do have the awards and they're on to the side here, so I'll read them out to all of you. Are you ready? Okay, the first class is Lee's class. Ooh. And in Lee's class for Going for Gold awards, going for gold, yes, Lee's class, we have Erin for beginning to engage with the activities in nursery, and Jacqueline for settling well into nursery. In York class, we have Loki. This is for amazing reading in Read Write Inc. and Caden for super writing of CVC words. We also have in Hall class, Harvey for trying hard to keep his writing on the line, and Antonia for knowing which two numbers can be added to make 10. In Nottingham class, we have Faith for writing some lovely descriptive sentences about the witch from Hansel and Gretel. We also have Oakley for great maths knowledge when using the rectangles. In Liverpool, we have Jacob GC for super knowledge and interest in the history topic on houses and homes. Andy receives an award for fantastic story writing of Hansel and Gretel. In Cardiff class, we have Adam for working hard in lessons and Ruby Ann for practicing her maths at home, so she is now super confident with column addition and subtraction. In Edinburgh class, we have Tia for super sketching skills whilst drawing sections of Stonehenge. And Rosie for an improvement in effort and attitude with all of her work. Keep it up. In Cambridge class, we have Tex for making a great effort in English. He has really improved his handwriting. And Key and Dwayne for writing a detailed and thoughtful letter in English. In London class, we have Leah Marie for working really hard all week, both in small groups and with the whole class. We also have Holly for writing accurate sentences in English. In Oxford class, we have Scarlett for doing extra work at home to make further progress. We also have Caden for an excellent work ethic every day. In Lincoln class, we have Leah for fantastic reading 1-to-1. In Chester class, we have Zach for trying hard with letter formation in English. Well done, everyone. Give all the children a really big hand. I'm really proud of you. Excellent. Now, we have the Year of Being Healthy awards. I'm pulling them up now. Right. First, we have in Lee's class, Evie for going to bed on time and getting lots of sleep. And Isabel for brushing her teeth every day. In York class, we have Holly for helping to keep the classroom clean and tidy. And Kobe for trying a carrot at milk and fruit time. In Hall class, we have Anna for great eye-hand coordination in PE using bats and balls. And Erica for enjoying the healthy school dinners. In Nottingham class, we have Cohen for fantastic partner work in PE and Ruben for fantastic partner work in PE. In Liverpool, we have Khalil for super dodgeball skills, and all of the Liverpool class for their great attitude and enthusiasm for the outdoor learning. In Cardiff class, we have Jacob B. for being active during playtimes, and Rebecca for trying to bring a healthy packed lunch. In Edinburgh class, we have Amelia for working hard in every PE lesson, and Ella for understanding the importance of a tidy workspace in the classroom. In Cambridge class, we have Oscar for eating all of his dinner and even trying new foods at lunchtime, and Dylan for using the trim trail safely and sensibly. In London class, we have Riley for showing confidence and independence when playing games with his classmates, and Zane for excellent effort in PE. In Oxford class, we have Cooper for trying to better his score during the daily mile, and Cuba for trying his hardest during all of the lessons. In Lincoln class, we have Kobe for independent washing and drying his hands when asked. And in Chester class, we have Alex for challenging himself to go outside his comfort zone in mainstream lessons. Well done, all you children. I am so very proud of you. Let's give them a big hand. Excellent. Okay, it's time for the weekend. I hope everyone has a lovely weekend and we get to school ready for more learning next week. Next week, I have some very special things to tell you that's going to be happening the week after. It's all very exciting. Have a good weekend. Bye.